Droga magkaulagang 7.5 million pesos nesabat king Port of Clark. Ayon report ng Lawrence Tolentino.
Asabat na ng Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency o PDEA, ing 1.2 kilo ning shabu ang mamalagang 7.5 million king metong interdiction operation king Port of Clark, anyang Webis, 8 ning Mayo. Ing package, may nibatan niya Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Maglaman niyang metong Philips Power Pro Compact Vacuum Cleaner ating 528 gramo a droga at metong rice cooker ating 574 gramo a shabu. Ing amano ng operasyon, penimunan dereng operatiba ng PDEA Clark International Airport Interagency Drug Interdiction Task Group, Bureau of Customs Port of Clark, Philippine National Police, Aviation Security Unit 3 at Drug Enforcement Group. Ako po'y Lawrence Tolentino para kay News Force Pampanga, Balitang Tutu, King Balen Susuyo.